9 reasons artificial grass is better than real grass for tennis court. Tennis is a major worldwide sport, with players from all over the world participating. But when it comes to tennis court surfaces, artificial grass has a clear advantage over real grass. Here's why. 1. Low maintenance. Artificial grass requires very little upkeep, unlike real grass which needs constant mowing, watering, and fertilizing. This reduces maintenance costs and allows courts to be used year-round. 2. Highly durable. Artificial grass can withstand the elements, ensuring that matches are never postponed or canceled due to weather conditions. 3. Cost-effective. With low maintenance requirements and a long lifespan, artificial grass proves to be more cost-effective for both commercial and residential tennis venues. Ready to upgrade your tennis court? Contact us today. artificialgrassgb.co.uk